This is a quick update. Friday, time to leave. Been messing around all day with other things going on, but I've got the first two trusses are in place now, scissor trusses. And there is going to be a notch out bay for the window between the truss against the house and the first truss, which is 16 inches out from the house. So over on this side, we've got our ground cloth in, 1.25 inch and smaller washed crushed stone, and that is going to be an underbed or bedding for the permeable pavers that are going to go in here. So up here you can just see the downspout pipe and the foundation drain pipe next to the bottom of the stairs there. So Sunday I'm going to come down and run pipe down the trench there and pick up the foundation pipe at the other end of the house, then bring them out and then on out the rest of the way to where the collection system is going to be. And that's going to be a 15 by 15 hole with that basin about 4 feet tall and 6 feet across in the middle of it. Then we bust out a 2 4-inch holes in that circle and mortar the pipes in, and they'll be at the top of that. Okay, so let me run downstairs and I'll show you that. And this is the ditch. So those are the two pipes that I have to connect together. We are going to drop the one on the right, which is a downspout pipe, a foot below the one to the left, which is a foundation drain. And then when the downspout pipe reaches a foot below, then we'll connect the two together into one. You need the downspout pipe a foot below the foundation pipe so that you don't have backflow into the foundation from the downspouts. And then we'll run pipe down the ditch here. See our string line there. We have a 1/4 inch per foot of slope. And so then the same thing over here. The top one is the downspout pipe. The one below is the foundation pipe. And those are all going to tie together here and then continue on down the ditch. And you can see the square area that it's going to fit into where the truck is parked on top of it. Okay, so lots going on. But yeah, this is going to be pretty nice. New graded parking area. Going to have a nice rockery along the wall there. And then the paver stones. Going to look really nice when it's all done. Okay, I'm heading out.